gentlemen, welcome to Milwaukee, where the current local time is approximately 6:05 p.m. We do need you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. At that time, the captain will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. That's your one and only indication that it's safe to move about the cabin. When you open the overhead bins, please be very careful as items may move while in flight. As we taxi to the gate, please take this time to double check your area around you for all of your personal belongings, like your cell phones, tablets, car keys, e-readers, etc. Once you are off the airplane, you will not be allowed back on for security reasons. It's not too late to partake in our offer of 50,000 bonus miles on today's flight. All you have to do is make a single purchase as little as $1 with your new card. American will deposit 50,000 bonus miles into your Advantage account, and they'll also waive the $99 application fee and annual fee for the first year. We'll have additional applications available for you at the boarding door. Feel free to grab one on your way out and start planning your next epic vacation, since the summer travel season is right around the corner. On behalf of this Dallas-based crew, American Airlines, and our One World Alliance partners, we thank you for flying with us this evening. We look forward to seeing you again soon on another American Airlines flight.